Got a little package in the mail. I have a feeling it's stickers. So let's open it up. I can see it's from Rick, our amazing and intrepid rep from Wales Derby in the New York area. So let's see what we got from Rick. Oh, he sent us a bunch. I did tell him to do that so that we can share them with all of our channel partners as well. Thank you, Rick, for the stickers. And since we're making this type of video, thank you, Cooper, for these that just came in the mail just the other day. These are amazing as well. Rick and Cooper giving us the good stickers. Sticker for you.